Are you renovating your bathroom to create a luxurious, tech-savvy, and spa-like environment? We suggest shopping for functional elements before you start splurging on aesthetic enhancements. Buying a high-performance shower head with a hose should be the topmost priority because it's the most practical element of a modern bathroom. Most homeowners gravitate towards the top shower heads with hoses in 2023, also known as handheld shower heads, because of their utility, performance, and versatility. These designs maximize the utility of a shower or bathtub, making it easier to spray your entire body, especially the parts that require maneuvering the shower head. A handheld shower head will lock firmly into an upright position like a standard shower head, and you can detach it to spray water directly over your body. This purchase can be tricky if you've never shopped for bathroom fixtures before. Number 1. Hotel Spa Shower Head with Hose. This high-pressure shower head with hose from AquaCare ranks the best in our roundup, and rightly so. It packs highly innovative features that make it the undisputed market leader with impressive specifications. This handheld shower head is designed to maximize the water pressure and customize the spray with 8 different settings. AquaCare was designed to be relentless on the toughest grime, yet gentle on your pet. Simply set your faucet to the best water pressure for your dog's fur length and density, then use our unique dual-width fan spray to thoroughly rinse out shampoo in seconds. It provides the perfect flow pattern for a fast and effortless pet shower, regardless of their size and breed. It has an anti-clog nozzle and a self-cleaning mechanism that prevents grime from building up inside the shower head and smearing all over your face and body. The nozzles are designed with a tough polymer that prevents degradation on a molecular level. This product is highly resistant to corrosion, clogging and rust and will maintain robust shower hygiene. Number 2. Hopa Pro Shower Head with Hose. This multifunctional shower head with hose set is ideal for conserving water and maintaining robust shower hygiene. It has 6 spray modes and special settings, including a water-saving mode that will pause while you lather yourself with soap and scrub your limbs. It also features a shower head panel to enjoy a customizable showering experience, switching between modes to suit your preference. The high-pressure shower head accompanies super functional accessories, like a 59-inch stainless steel hose and a Teflon tape to prevent leakages. The rubber washers and adjustable overhead bracket manufactured with high-quality brass make it a highly practical investment. What's more, it has 39 self-cleaning silicone nozzles and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, nozzles to prevent grime and limescale accumulation. Number 3. Delta Faucet Shower Head with Hose. Imagine your body being massaged by the invigorating power of high-performance shower jets, kneading out the knots in your exhausted muscles. If you want to enjoy this intensely gratifying shower experience every day, you need this 7-spray shower head from Delta Faucet. Delta shower heads with touch-clean spray holes allow you to quickly and easily wipe away calcium and lime buildup with a touch of a finger, so no need to soak or use chemical cleaners. Powered with massaging jets and 7 dynamic spray settings, this shower head with hose is designed to deliver a spa-like experience. The settings include full-body spray, massaging spray, drenching spray, energy-saving spray and more. You can even switch the setting to pause if you want to save water. It has touch-clean spray holes to prevent grime and limescale accumulation, eliminating the need for hand washing or chemical cleaners. Number 4. Lokpi High-Pressure Shower Head. Homeowners looking to avoid installation costs have found their match in this high-pressure handheld shower head set from Lokpi. You simply have to attach it to the bracket and tighten it with your hands. It packs a series of features that deliver a powerful stream for a satisfying bath. No need to call a plumber. You'll be able to install high-pressure shower heads in minutes with just one hand-tightened universal connection on any standard shower pipe, arm or extender. Everything you need is included in a box. The 6 spray settings range from rainfall spray and gentle mist to high-pressure boost and water-saving function. The sleek chrome shower head has a charming aesthetic appeal, and it features silicone jets to prevent hard water and limescale from accumulating. Number 5. AquaDance Shower Head with Hose. This high-pressure handheld shower head with hose has undergone extensive testing to ensure high performance and lasting durability. Designed with chrome-plated plastic resin and a stainless steel hose, it's made from a tough and sturdy polymer that won't succumb to rust, corrosion or grime. This product features 6 unique settings to customize the spray to your preference. It offers multi-purpose versatility, an ergonomic handle and rub-clean jets to prevent limescale accumulation in the shower head. The sleek chrome finishing exudes a luxurious appeal, perfect for a quick and affordable bathroom makeover. The best part about this product is the tool-free installation. You don't need a toolkit or a professional to install this handheld showerhead.